Have you ever felt the need for something more than just a regular bath or shower? A way to not just cleanse, but to truly heal and soothe your body? Throughout history, people have turned to a unique tradition for relief: the hip bath. It might sound old-fashioned, but hold on, because this ancient practice offers some surprisingly powerful benefits.
While the idea of a hip bath might bring to mind images of elaborate Victorian bathhouses, this concept is far older. Cultures around the world, including India's Ayurvedic medicine, have used hip baths for centuries. In an era when indoor plumbing was a luxury, hip baths were a practical solution for hygiene and a powerful remedy for various ailments.
So, what exactly is a hip bath? There are actually a few variations. The classic hip bath is specially designed for you to sit upright, immersing your hips and buttocks. Think of it like bathing in a comfortable chair. A more modern interpretation is a deeper soaking tub where you still sit rather than recline. Both offer unique advantages.
What makes hip baths special? It's all about targeted therapy. The warm or cool water, often infused with herbs or salts, directly stimulates circulation in your lower body. Improved circulation is vital for many bodily functions. It delivers oxygen and nutrients to your tissues, helping them function at their best. It also aids in the removal of waste products, leaving you feeling refreshed and energized. This boost in circulation can be especially helpful for those experiencing menstrual cramps, hemorrhoids, or even just sore muscles after a long day. By increasing blood flow to the targeted area, the hip bath can help to relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and promote healing.
Let's delve deeper into the many benefits of a hip bath. Circulation champion. Warm water works wonders on your circulatory system. By gently dilating blood vessels, it encourages better blood flow throughout your body. This can improve the delivery of vital oxygen and nutrients to your tissues, leaving you feeling energized and invigorated. Digestive do-over. A warm hip bath can be a godsend for those experiencing digestive troubles. The heat helps to relax muscles in your abdomen, which can ease cramping, bloating, and discomfort. Soak away indigestion and feel lighter on your feet. Healing haven. The controlled environment of a hip bath is perfect for promoting healing. Whether you're dealing with a minor skin infection or inflammation from an injury, a warm soak can help reduce swelling, soothe irritation, and create an ideal space for your body to mend itself. Pain relief powerhouse. From achy muscles after a workout to nerve pain like sciatica, a hip bath can be a powerful pain reliever. The warmth acts as a natural muscle relaxant, easing tension and discomfort. Additionally, improved circulation can help deliver anti-inflammatory compounds to targeted areas, further reducing pain. Mental meltdown mender. Let's not forget the mind-body connection. The simple act of taking a hip bath can be incredibly relaxing. The warm water soothes your body, while the quiet self-care ritual allows you to de-stress and unwind. This mental relaxation can have a cascading effect, easing tension headaches, improving sleep quality, and overall reducing the physical symptoms brought on by stress.
Now, hold on, what about a cold hip bath? Believe it or not, that brings a whole new set of benefits. Cold water can invigorate, reduce inflammation, and some theories suggest it even stimulates the vagus nerve, a key player in our stress response system.
You might hear the term Sitz bath. Essentially, it's like a super focused hip bath for your pelvic area. These are often used for medical treatments like post-surgery or for conditions like hemorrhoids.
Think of the hip bath as a self-care power move. Here's how to make it work for you. Choose your tub. A traditional hip bath, a deeper soaking tub. What works for your space? Set the temp. Warm water is usually the go-to, but explore cool, tepid options. Enhancements. Epsom salts, soothing herbs. Tailor it to your needs. Soak and relax. Aim for 15, 20 minutes of pure you time. Dry, gently. Pat yourself dry to avoid any irritation.
The magic of the hip bath lies in its versatility. Let's look at some specific conditions it can address. Menstrual miseries. For anyone suffering from menstrual cramps, a warm hip bath can be a true lifesaver. The warmth and increased circulation help to relax those contracting uterine muscles, easing pain and discomfort. Postpartum support. After childbirth, women often experience tenderness and soreness. A Sitz bath, with or without added soothing ingredients, can provide much-needed relief and promote healing. Hemorrhoid help. These uncomfortable and sometimes painful flare-ups can make daily life miserable. A hip bath, particularly with cool water, can help reduce inflammation, soothe itching, and bring significant relief. Skin soother. When dealing with skin infections, irritations, or minor injuries, a warm hip bath can create the perfect healing environment. The warmth helps to fight bacteria, while the targeted soaking can help reduce inflammation and bring relief to the affected area.
So, if hip baths have been around for so long and have these awesome benefits, why aren't they in every bathroom? Well, like many things, their popularity has ebbed and flowed over time. In the Victorian era, with limited indoor plumbing, hip baths were a necessity. Even after modern plumbing, they remained common for their health benefits. However, as our lives got busier and supersized showers took over, the relaxing ritual of the hip bath declined, but things are changing. With a renewed focus on wellness and self-care, people are rediscovering the simple power of the hip bath. It's an affordable and accessible way to improve your physical and mental health.
You might be surprised how easy it is to get started with hip bathing. Classic. Classic. If you crave the vintage charm, antique stores or online marketplaces might hold treasures. Authentic Victorian-style hip baths. Modern. Many modern bathtub manufacturers now offer deeper soaking tubs perfect for the updated hip bath experience. Look for a tub where you can sit upright with your knees bent, allowing water to cover your hips. Don't be afraid to improvise. A large, deep basin or even a clean, sanitized kiddie pool can get the job done in a pinch. Specialized. For specifically targeted treatments like Sitz baths, you can find specialized basins designed to fit over your toilet. Consult with your doctor or pharmacist for recommendations.
Whether you're seeking relief from a specific ailment, wanting to boost your overall well-being, or simply craving a moment of luxurious self-care, give the hip bath a try. It's a simple, time-tested practice that might just transform your health and change the way you approach relaxation. If you've tried hip baths, share your experiences in the comments below. Let's inspire each other and spread the word about this amazing, accessible wellness tool. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more self-care and wellness content.